That this is the time when the persons who are to be rescued had to be rescued first. The fire should be brought under control, and no responsible person should make any comment about how it happened, and nobody should go for blame game now.
That guy's going to fall. Yeah. Oh my God!
On the side of the government or on the side of the opposition right now here in this spot is an irresponsible job. If anybody has done it, it is most irresponsible thing.
Mayor has been telling us a short while back that this is a complete illegal construction. That's the reason why most firefighting officials are stored inside this building. These are the kind of material that was stored, completely inflammable, made of fire, made of thermocol and other inflammable material, and that's the reason why the fire really caught up very quickly.
She died because she choked to death.
Mamata cracking the whip. Hospital's license cancelled. FIR registered.
ইমিডিয়েট আমরা বলেছি এটা ক্রিমিনাল অফেন্স, এটা ক্রাইম, আইন আইনের মতো চলবে এবং খুবই সরি এই ঘটনার জন্য খুবই শক এবং আমরা মনে করি যে এই নার্সিং হোমটার লাইসেন্স বাতিল করুন।
In the morning time 3:30 we asked, we so many times requested, please give us patient, we want to shift over here, but they are refused.
Even 7 hours after the mishap, relatives still clueless about their loved one's fate.
Their family members be traced. They say that they have no knowledge of where their families have been taken to.
At the nearby SSKM hospital, the situation doesn't raise much hope either.
I'm standing outside the SSKM morgue where all the bodies of those patients who have passed away in the AMRI tragedy are lying in this morgue, and this place is full of all those patients who are just eagerly waiting to see.
Kolkata struck by catastrophe again, but the authorities refuse to learn any lessons, and paying the price are these innocent people.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! God save them, please! God save them! God save them, please! ঘুরে ঘুরে ঘুরে
এখনো দমকলের পাত্তা নেই। ও এখনো নামতে পারছে না কেন? একটা দড়ি কিছু মারলো।
There's a big fire here in Irene's building. Two people tried to get out of the place and have already fallen down from the 4th floor.
Two guys have fallen.
Two guys have fallen. I'm videoing it all. Huge fire, huge fire. But Irene is this side. Irene is this side. This is happening the other side. Yeah. Huge fire.
From there, yeah, get down there, move from there.
He doesn't know how to move. He doesn't know how to move.
That down flat, yeah.
আরে
ও নামতে ভয় পাচ্ছে। ঠিক আছে, come this side, no, they're inside, let's go inside. পড়ে যাবে ও ধোঁয়া খেয়ে না মাথা ঘুরে পড়ে। আরে ওই জানলাটা দিয়ে সবাই নেবে, এইটা দিয়ে নেবে না, এইটা দিয়ে সবাই নেবে, ওইটা দিয়ে সব কথা নেবে, যেটা দিয়ে নাম that guy is going to fall. Yeah. Oh my God! That's the third one gone fallen.
Relatives of patients who have died say there's not a single casualty amongst the doctors or staff of the AMRI hospital. This is the second major fire at the hospital since 2008. And tragic scenes of patients being brought out of the hospital, many of them just bundled in cloths. In fact, reports say most of them were unable to walk as they were from the critical care unit and orthopedic unit of the hospital. Some of them could be seen desperately waving white cloths from their windows.
A head count really, but he says at least 20 bodies have been brought out according to the fire brigade, and the toll could be higher. You can see the operation over here, a stretcher being brought to the bottom of this ladder, and then firemen up there putting the bodies down with a rope. I mean, it is really a gruesome task that is going on over here. Firemen on the second floor or the first floor of the building bringing out bodies of dead patients. One we just saw with a broken leg in a plaster cast who definitely could not escape. A tragedy that is unfolding, only beginning.
That guy is going to fall. Yeah. Oh my God!
It has come up during the regime of left front. Last 34 years, such buildings have come up in large numbers. Just a minute. For the last 34 years, who were there in the power, they should answer this question. For a city of 300 years old and having a premises of around 8 lakhs, is it possible to humanly in a year and a half to inspect all the buildings? And we have already inspected all the nursing homes, all the hospitals, all the schools and colleges.
That guy is going to fall. Yeah. Oh my God!
After reaching the accident site, Mamata Banerjee ordered an inquiry saying despite her government specifically asking buildings to follow safety norms after the AMRI tragedy, no one was doing so. Even as Trinamool Congress blames the left rule for the tragedy, it seems that Mamata Banerjee is conveniently forgetting the fact that she took over as state's chief minister nearly 3 years ago. Also, there have been 10 major fires since Mamata took charge, reflecting poorly the steps taken by the state to avert such tragedies. আমার যেটা মনে হচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে এখানে এরকম প্রচুর বাড়ি আছে। কলকাতাটা টোটাল আনপ্ল্যান্ড সিটি ম্যাক্সিমাম, এবং অলরেডি সিটি দীর্ঘদিনে প্ল্যান করে সমস্ত না করার ফলে দীর্ঘদিন ধরে এখানে অনেক গাড়িতে গোডাউন আছে, এবং অনেক বাড়িতে আমি যে শুনছি এখানে ঘরে ঘরে সব প্লাস্টিকের কারবারও আছে।
Bengal Chief Minister has highlighted that the illegal structures and haphazardly connected electrical wires running in the closely packed buildings are turning into death traps. She has given shopkeepers a deadline of 3 months to adhere to and comply with safety norms, failing which she threatens to take tough action.
We are at the Nandaram market where a devastating fire gutted 1,000 shops in 2008. 5 years on, loose wires and inflammable material are stacked around the narrow corridors. With an illegal construction on the top floor and inadequate fire extinguishers, the Nandaram market is another disaster waiting to happen.
आग लगने के बाद सारे अनसराइज और अनसराइज हो गए थे। 50 साल पुरानी बिल्डिंग है तो एक दिन में बनी नहीं आती है, क्योंकि 21 तले की बिल्डिंग थी, तोड़कर एसोसिएशन ने तोड़वा कर इसको 12 तले लेवल के जो ट्रेनिंग थे, तो जो हम रहते हैं तो हम भी अपनी अनसेफ्टी नहीं चाहेंगे।
While the government blames illegal constructions and careless owners, the shopkeepers allege a nexus.
हमको लगता है कि जो अनलीगल काम हो रहा है, इलीगल जितना भी बिल्डिंग बना है, बिना साठगांठ, बिना उनका सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर, बिगर लैंडलॉर्ड या बिल्डर के साथ में मिले बिगर नहीं हो सकता।
But what about the markets which are owned by the government? At the Hogs Market in Kolkata, there are only 20 fire extinguishers for more than 1,200 shops, posing huge safety hazards.
कुछ नहीं पता नहीं, आपने देखा होगा यह कंडीशन किस तरह कंडीशन है। फ्रेम बनी हुई है, बॉक्स बनी हुई है, उसके अंदर कुछ नहीं, ना पाइप है ना कुछ है। कितने बार कंप्लेन करूं, कितनी बार कंप्लेन, ये लोग बस एक कान से सुनते हैं, कान से उड़ा देते हैं।
Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has given market owners 90 days to comply with fire safety rules. A surveillance team has been set up to stop people from staying inside markets after the Surjasen market blaze killed sleeping migrant workers. People need to stop sleeping inside markets. Owners need to be more careful.
फायर मिनिस्टर जावेद खान ने बोला कि एक इलीगल बिल्डिंग है, तो इसका लाइसेंस क्यों नहीं स्टैम्प किया गया या फिर इसको डिमोलिश क्यों नहीं किया गया, क्यों ये मार्केट अभी भी यहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है। देखिए जावेद भाई ने क्या कहा ये तो मुझे मालूम नहीं है, और चूंकि मार्केट मेरे अंडर में भी नहीं, इसलिए हमको भी पता नहीं है। हम लोग जरूर इसको कलकत्ता कॉर्पोरेशन की तरफ से देखेंगे कि ये इलीगल है या लीगल है। देखिए ये पिछली सरकार ये सारा काम करके गई है, अब इसको सुधारने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा। हम लोगों के पास कोई अलाउद्दीन का चिराग नहीं है जो रख दिया और राताराती सब चेंज हो जाएगा। धीरे धीरे हम लोग सब जगह कर रहे हैं, इस जगह को भी हम लोग देखेंगे। अभी क्या स्टेप ले रहे हैं आप लोग, कि अभी क्या चल रहा है? Politics of blame game is going to continue. So do you think it's about time to just put a stop to it and put the heads together and start working?
During these 34 years, this type of unauthorized illegal markets have popped up in the whole of Kolkata and West Bengal. Why they have not taken action? Why they have allowed it to construct an unauthorized market like this? The left front is to be blamed.
You've been in power for 2 years, sir. Poriborton game change. There should have been Poriborton here as well, sir.
Do you think we have got a magic lamp, Aladdin magic lamp, that we will just rub it and say everything to be in order? 34 years of misrule cannot be taken care in 1.5 years or so.
What is your action plan now, sir?
Action plan is government has instituted a committee, probe committee here. It will come out with a report and suggestion what to do in the within 3 days. Our honorable
That guy is going first. Yeah. Oh my God! Yes. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! God save them, please! God save them! God save them, please!